Hey guys, morning. Here I bring you the all new Maruti Suzuki Baleno 2018 Zeta review. इसमें हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस टूर पूरा गाड़ी का टूर लेंगे, अंदर बाहर सब तरफ से अपन देखेंगे फीचर्स। आपने अभी ड्रोन शॉट्स देखे, होप यू लाइक्ड इट। इसके सारी स्पेसिफिकेशंस वगैरह। दिस इज़ द बेस्ट सेलिंग मॉडल ऑफ एक्चुअली इन इंडिया, थर्ड टॉप सेलिंग मॉडल इन इंडिया। तो यहाँ पे एक नया कलर आया है, नेक्सा ब्लू। लुक्स रियली अमेजिंग इन द सनलाइट। और यहाँ पे आपको मिलते हैं R16 एलॉय व्हील्स। एलॉय व्हील्स ऑल जीटा और अल्फ़ा मॉडल में आते हैं, उससे पहले वाले मॉडल में नहीं आते। दिस इज़ द जीटा मॉडल 1.2 पेट्रोल। और इसमें एक्सेसरीज किट ओनर ने लगवाया हुआ है, तो दैट्स वाई यू कैन सी ऑल द डोर डोर प्रोटेक्टर्स और ये सब चीज़ें। जीटा और अल्फ़ा मॉडल में ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएंट्स भी आते हैं। Right here we have the 1.2 liter petrol engine which produces 83 bhp at 6000 rpm. 4-cylinder engine है. Nexa claims an average fuel economy of 21, but realistically I'm getting around 18 to 19 if you drive the car properly. Nexa gives a warranty of 2 years on all electronic parts. इस गाड़ी में आपको एक सेडान का भी फील आता है, so it's good for both self driving and rear passengers. टॉप मॉडल में आपको डे टाइम रनिंग लाइट्स और प्रोजेक्टर हेडलैम्प्स मिलते हैं वाइट। This car comes with a keyless entry. You just press once to lock and press once again to unlock. So here, these are the Nexa covers which the owner has bought. I suppose this is the best quality covers, which comes at around 9,500. These are the door mats. Comes with the accessory pack of the Baleno. And here you see the side plates. This is also an accessory which you can buy from Nexa. The interior, this is the instrument cluster. So this great colorful instrument cluster comes only in the Alpha and Zeta models. So here you can see average fuel economy, range, Nexa entertainment system. If you buy the Zeta model, it comes with a Apple CarPlay and you have automatic climate conditioning. Also the Apple CarPlay comes with the navigation installed and the reverse camera. So this is the only difference between the Zeta and the Alpha model. As you can see, the interior is quite spacious, and here you get a feel of a sedan sitting inside this car. It's a very powerful vehicle as compared to the smaller vehicles in Nexa or Maruti Suzuki. Let's see what are the settings you get in this instrument cluster. You press this and you can enter into different screens. This is showing your average fuel economy, and here you can see -5, -10, -15, how much ever time you have driven. It calculates according to the time and according to your driving performance. And this is the driving time from when you have bought the car, or from, because in terms of this owner, this is a very brand new car. तो इसमें आपको जो ड्राइविंग टाइम दिखा रहा है वो तब से दिखा रहा है जब से इन्होंने डिलीवरी ली है। अगर इसको रीसेट कर दें तो अगेन इसको ये ज़ीरो हो जाएगा। एंड हियर यू कैन सी दिस ग्राफ. So here on the top you can see how many kilometers you have driven in this time. So you can figure out like कि अब ज़्यादा ड्राइविंग हो गई है, अब गैप लेना चाहिए. This is the very artistic analog plus digital clock which you get. And this is the torque and power figure. So if you just race, and you can see the torque and power in a very nice animation display. And this is the blank screen where you can customize. This is the very informative cluster display. I think the best I've seen in this range of cars, and it's very colorful. It's actually a TFT screen, and you can see this blue line here. So this also looks very artistic at night. So here you have the volume control, the track, source, mute, mode. Here you have the Bluetooth. This is the phone answer buttons. You have your 2 airbags here, and here you have the headlight control. This also comes with an automatic headlights, so it should be on auto. And here you have your automatic dimmer. Here you have your auto wipers. So rear, you have your rear wiper as well as your front wiper. And let's go over the automatic climate conditioning. तो यहाँ से you can lower or up your fan speed, or this is the front defogger, rear defogger. This is the temperature you can set. You can set it to 23.5 or anything, and this is the very nice round display here which you get. This is the AC mode. As you can see here, airflow. If you can turn on auto, then it sets everything automatically. There's the off button, and this is the inside and outside air, and it's a very minimalistic, plus it fits in quite nicely in the dashboard. So dashboard ka jo look hai, that is quite amazing. Here you have this accessory you can charge. You have your USB, you can USB and aux outlet here, and here you have your cubby space, your cup holders. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी जगह है, and your hand brake, and then you can lift it off, and you have your storage space here. It's very good fit and finish. Nexa actually delivers what it promises. You have your glove box. You have your all 4 windows automatic. Driver window automatic plus all 4 windows manual, and you have your window lock and unlock. You have your IVRM here. When you press this button, the mirror folds down automatically. So guys, let's go over the informative display which comes in the Delta model. It's quite simple. You can it's the same as as in my Celerio video. So this is the Bluetooth button. You can set up your Bluetooth from here, and you can go back, and right now it's on the Bluetooth mode. There's the CD, FM, AM, media. You have your CD changer, Bluetooth, aux. There's your volume control. From here you can set your FM radio. There's a display which you want, what information you want to receive of the track, repeat, RDM, AS. This is your customizable number buttons, and this is your hazard lights, and this is the extra switch for which if you have any accessory you can fit in here. Model is the most worthy model in this segment, because if you go to the top model, it costs around 60 to 70,000 rupees extra, for which you just get the CarPlay and the white projector headlamps, which is easily customizable elsewhere. You get your auto dimming rear view mirror, so you can turn on your auto feature here, so it dims on automatically. You don't have to go up and down with this. So all in all, an amazing interior. The best thing I like about this is this Supervision cluster display. It's quite nice. From this button, guys, you can turn on your parking sensor on and off. This comes with a rear parking sensor. As you can see, if I open the driver door, the animation on the screen is the best I've seen. I think it's better than the Mercedes or some high-end cars which comes. Let's check out the rear space now. I have immense amount of headroom, and you can see, I mean, I'm 5'10", so I have incredible amount of knee space, and the rear passengers are quite comfortable. I mean, if I'll compare it to the Swift, so the Swift has a less rear comfortability, and my Swift video will be coming soon, so you can see from there. Baleno is in fact a luxury executive. This car is good for for office going people, where you have a driver and you can sit at the back and relax and enjoy so this gives a feel of a good sedan. So let's check out the boot space. So as you get enough amount of boot space here, you can easily fit around 2 large suitcases plus 3 small bags here, and these are the accessories which comes with the Baleno, and this is the spare rim. Thank you for watching, guys. Do hit the like and subscribe button.